Controller drift can be a frustrating issue for Nintendo Switch users. This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the problem to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Clean the joystick. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris around the joystick. This can help eliminate any particles that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Update your console. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest software. Go to System Settings, select System, and then choose System Update to check for updates. Step 3. Calibrate the joystick. Navigate to System Settings, select Controllers and Sensors, and then choose Calibrate Control Sticks. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate the joystick. Step 4. Check for hardware issues. Inspect the joystick for any visible damage or wear. If the joystick feels loose or unresponsive, it may need to be replaced. Step 5. Consider professional repair. If the above steps do not resolve the drift issue, consider reaching out to Nintendo support or a professional repair service for assistance. They can provide more in-depth solutions or repairs. By following these steps, you can address controller drift and improve your gaming experience on the Nintendo Switch.